Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Queen Beliza. This is me Shazia. In today's video, I'm going to do a very beautiful everyday wearable look which is there on my face right now for you people. If you're interested to know how to get a flawless makeup without using any foundation, yes, you heard it right. I haven't used any foundation to create this look. So if you want to know how I got this look, please stick around and keep watching my video. I'm going to see you in the further video. Bye. So the very first step is in this makeup routine will be the same as usual. I'm going to prime my skin with the help of Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Priming the centers of my face. Up next, I'm going to use a concealer from LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is a high HD concealer, high definition concealer. I'm going to use this concealer wherever I have acne scars for spot correcting my skin. And on the high points of my face where I usually tend to apply concealer. You can take a little bit more concealer than usually you would apply when you are applying foundation base, but for this tutorial as you are not applying any foundation, you can take a little bit more. Then I'm going to blend it into my skin with a flat concealer brush. As you can see, this concealer is really beautiful. It is giving me beautiful coverage. Applying the same on the eyelid as well, because you don't want a discoloration going on the eyelids. This will make everything look seamless and well presentable and well blended. After spot correcting with a brush, then you can use your usual beauty blender to blend the entire concealer into your skin and to get that seamless no makeup look like finish. I'm taking a damn beauty blender and blending this concealer into my skin. Covering my whole face, as you can see. This type of makeup look can be very useful to people who go for work on daily basis, college going girls, working women, and even teachers who are caught up in the morning and they want to apply makeup but they find it very difficult to apply minimal makeup. So this could be easy for them. Next, I'm using Fit Me loose powder to set my entire concealer into place and to set the whole face. I'm going to take this onto my brush and I'm going to set the entire concealer. I'm covering up the entire face because we have used concealer everywhere, so we need to lock this concealer into place so that it does not budge or crease. This is a pigmented powder, so this also helps to give you a bit of coverage. So the purpose of doing makeup is sorted if you use a good quality of loose powder to set your face and to set your concealer. See, you can see my base is looking so beautiful. This is without any foundation. Trust me, you saw how I did it in front of you on this video itself. So let's move further now. I have set my base. I need a little bit of color going on my cheeks. So I'm going to use a blush. I'm using the Bonjour Paris blush. This is in the shade 07. Taking it onto my blush brush and applying it on the apples of my cheeks to give a little bit of color to my cheeks. Blending it really well so that it does not look caked up. You can use your wet blender also to blend it very seamlessly into your skin. After adding color to your cheeks, you can move on with your brows. I'm using Attitude House brow pencil. I'm going to brush my hair in one direction first, and then I'm going to fill it up to fill in the gaps which are there in my brows to make it look very presentable. Filling it with a very light hand because this is a very subtle makeup. Then again running your spoolie brush. Yeah, you're good to go now. Now, after the brows, I'm going to use Maybelline Colossal Mascara to volumize my eyelashes and to make them look fuller and beautiful. A mascara can really make a difference to open up your eyelashes and to make your look complete. So after the mascara, I'm going to move on with a highlight. I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I'm going to just highlight the inner corners of my eyes and a little bit of highlighter on my high points of my face. Taking it on a flat brush, just a little bit of highlight. And then blending it with a beauty blender, damp beauty blender, to make it look very seamless and glow from within type of look, not over the top highlighted face. Using whatever is left on the beauty blender onto the usual areas where I love to highlight. Next, I'm going to use this same highlighter, taking it very precisely and highlighting the inner corners of my eye to give this look a little bit of freshness. Just a little bit of highlight, and whatever is left on the brush you can use on your brow bone. I know you are not using any eyeshadows for this look, but a little bit of highlighter can make a statement to the entire makeup. After that, I'm using my favorite nudie pinkish lipstick to complete this look. You can apply any lipstick, whatever shade you like, because you're not applying any eyeshadow. So applying any favorite lipstick, any favorite shade can make this look very beautiful. See, very fresh dewy makeup and everyday wearable for college girls, people who go to work, for office going people. Even if you are going to meet your friends, colleagues, anybody, you can wear this makeup look. So guys, you saw how easy it was to achieve this wearable, everyday wearable look. It just took me 5 minutes to achieve this look. I'm sure even you will like this look. Do try this and let me know in the comments down below if you like this look. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.